Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're having a good morning so far. Let's begin with math meeting for today. How many days are there in a week? I ask you this question every day of the week, right? How many days? 7 days, right. Let's do the song. Ready? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right. And what day is it today? If tomorrow, I'm sorry, if yesterday was Wednesday, if yesterday was Wednesday, what is today? Thursday. That's right. Say today is Thursday. All right. Let's talk about what month it is. Ready? We have how many months in a year? Do you remember? Let's count today just for fun. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in a year. You may stand up on the ground and then sing the song with me that helps us remember our years, our months in a year. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the years. Good job, 5K. You can sit, have a seat, and tell me what month we are in of the 12 months of the year. What one are we in right now? Yep, October is our month right now. And what day in October? Well, let's look. Today or yesterday was this day, the 7th. Let's count it out. One, what day we are in today. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Today is October 8th. Very good. Thursday the 8th. So what shape is today's day going to be? If yesterday was a rectangle, let's say all the shapes so far so we can get an idea of the pattern. Remember the pattern. Ready? Let's say all the shapes together. Ready? Rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle, which would make today, yep, a circle. So we have a circle for the number 8 for today. Very good job. Let's move on to our date. Writing the date. Now that we know that today is October 8th, we can write it. What do we start with always when we write the date? Yep, the month we start with. So our month, as we said earlier, is October. Let's write it together. Do you remember what the first letter in October is without looking? Yep, it's an O. Capitalized O because it is a special first letter of month, right? So your capital letter is going to touch both the top and the bottom lines. Make your nice and neat O there. O, what next is? What makes that sound? Yep, we have a C next. So make your lowercase c touching vanilla and that bottom line. O, I'm going to read down. O, C, what makes that sound? Yep, next we have T. And I'm going to tell you what, if you haven't done it yet, if you want to, you can draw a paper and write it with me. You have a T next. For T's, we go top to bottom and cross on vanilla. O, C, T. Next, we have this letter here. O. This O makes own letter name, right? O. So make your next lowercase o. Just like A, O, B, B. What makes a sound? Yep, letter B makes a sound. So you can, to make a letter B, go from top to bottom, touching both the top and bottom, and then you make a belly to the right, just like that. So A, O, B, and then our two letters at the end go together because they make sound, right? October. So you can make your E and the R, your last letters, in October now. Very good. So we have our October written. Next, what do we write after the month? Yep, the day, the number of days. So we already said today is, you can look on the calendar if you don't remember, today is the 8th. Yep. So to make an 8, a crazy 8, you make an S and go back home. Make an S, touch those top and bottom lines, and then you go back to where you started, like that. Very good. After we have our month and our day, what comes after that? Yep, our cute little comma comma. So you make a sideways smile right next to your 8. After we have our month, our day, our comma, we can now write our year. That's right. And we are in the year of 2020. So, first letter, what is the first number in 2020? Yep, a 2. So you can curve around and slide to the right for your first 2. After your first 2, you can now make your 0. Yep, looks just like the capitalized O. After you have your 0, you make your 2, another 2, curve around and slide to the right. And our very last number in 2020 is another 0. Yep. Go ahead and finish that up. You can grab your marker or your microphone and announce the day with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is October 8th, 2020. Very good, girls. You can take a look at our days of school number line now, so we can look at how many days in school we've been in so far. Let's see. We've so far had 29 online days of school. And with the next day, what comes after 29? Sometimes it's because you know after 9 comes a new set of 10, right? What comes after 29? It's 30. Yep, 30. And what two numbers make up 30? Yeah, 3 and a 0. And what the order matters, right? You have to put the 3 first and then the 0. Otherwise, it wouldn't be a 30. So, 30 days of school. Let's talk about our tens and ones with the number 30. Yesterday we had 29, so we had 2 full tens and 9 ones. 9 ones. Our one for today is, oh, I dropped it. Hold on. All right. Our one for today, we're going to put on this one here to make 30. Now, how many full groups of tens do we have? How many full groups of 10? Yeah, we have 3 complete nice groups of 10. And how many ones? 0 ones in 30, right? But 3 groups of 10. So we will now fill in our days in school chart. 30 full days of school. So you can see that the 3 hours were full, just like they were full with these. So let's write it in our chart. How many full groups of 10 did we say in 30? Yeah, 3. So halfway around and around again. And how many ones in 30? Yeah, there are no ones in 30. So you can make a 0 for the 1 spot. All right, let's talk now about our pattern for today. We have a pattern that starts with these 3 numbers. Read it with me, ready? 5, 9, 4. Now, if this pattern repeats, this pattern of 3, what will come next after this number? Yeah, another 5, because that's the first one over here. So if you're writing this on the whiteboard, you can continue the pattern with me. Ready? Down and around and give it a hat. That's how we make a number 5. What comes after the 5? A 9, yeah. 5, 9 is how our pattern goes. So go ahead and make a 9. And to make a 9, it's a circle and a line. Make number 9. And our final last number in our pattern is going to be, what will it be? Yeah, a 4. Make a 4, you go down, slide right, and cut it in half for a 4. And always, let's pull our work to make sure we have our pattern correct. Ready? Say it with me. 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4. Very good, boys and girls. You can look at the weather chart now. Go ahead and see what weather it's like outside your window while I sing the weather song. Ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? Well, I hope that it's a sunny day for you because it's going to be a sunny day for our graph. So, where will I put this sunny tile? Sunny piece. It's going to go right here, right on the top of our sunny column. And take a look at our graph now. How many sunny days do we have so far? 1, 2, 3 sunny days. And how many cloudy days? 3. They're both tied right now. They have the same amount, right? So we'll see which one takes the lead tomorrow. Or maybe it'll be rainy or snowy, I don't know. So for our last part today, we talk about the shapes. What shape has 0 sides? What shape has 0 sides and it's just round? Yep, a circle. 0 sides, 0 corners, 0 angles. That's a circle. What shape has 3 sides? What shape has 3 sides? Yep, a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles or 3 corners. All right, so now what shape do you know has 4 sides? Name one shape that you know has 4 sides. And you could have said one of 2 shapes. You could have said a square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 sides. Or you could have said that our new shape, you could have said a rectangle has 4 sides, because that has 4 sides too. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides on a rectangle. And take a look at the square and the rectangle. You can see that the difference is that the square has all the same length of sides, and the rectangle has different lengths. You can see that this one is longer than this one. So that's the difference between a square and a rectangle, but they both each have 4 sides. So good job, kindergarten. Keep doing well in your schoolwork today and have a good rest of your day and night.